It's another day. Thank you, Lord, for the another day that you are giving to us. And the most important, good health, one of us nationwide and worldwide again. So, same as usual, it's almost 5 a.m. here in Baghdad. So, I prepare already. I start preparing this one. Okay. Same as usual. Ganito ka. Tapos na yung egg na boiled ko na yung egg. Ito na lang ang iluto ko para sa breakfast. Sa lunch na naman ni Sisi sa lunch box niya. Wala namang pagbabago. Ganun pa rin. Ayos ganito. Kusina. Ganito lang ako. Ayos. Yan. Para na naman sa snacks niya. Wala na kasi kaming milk. Ayun. Nagpapabili ako ng milk. Hindi naman ako lagi makapunta ng supermarket. Kaya yan, milk, ano na lang, juice. Sana nga inumin niya yan. Okay. So once again, keep safe lagi. And God bless us all. Kaya lagi tayong mag-iingat para sa kalusugan natin, for our health. Because every day we are working, every day we are doing everything what we want to do. Kaya laging ganun, mag-iingat. Saka mga pangyayari sa Pilipinas, God bless us all. Di rin kayo pababayaan. Saka sa ibang countries pa. And everything will be okay rin. Siguro that is kapalaran ng buong mundo. That is the history na sa buong mundo. Okay? Kaya laging ingat. And thank you ulit sa pag-support. Thank you for your support sa YouTube channel ko. I'm always telling that one. Thank you. Sana I wish na you will not be magsawa. Kung sa Tagalog pa, huwag kayong magsasawa sa panonood sa simple video ko. Daghang salamat. And I wish everything will be okay. Thank you again. Thank you for watching my old videos that what I have here. Okay. Thank you. Ang babait ninyo. Thank you for the kindness. Thank you for the patience. Thank you for the time to search and to watch my video. And thank you to support me. Thank you. And more blessings na lang. More blessings to each of us. Lagi kong sinasabi, I cannot mention you one by one, especially to the all families in the Philippines. So I'm just using generalized na lang, nationwide and worldwide. Okay? And nagiging parte kayo. You are the part of my channel, my simply and the small channel, my YouTube channel for my journey. And that is my aim about my YouTube channel is that is my journey of my life. That I'm still here, alive and working as a OFW. To far away, to spread my wings. Okay? To spread my wings. That to experience like this one. To what else pa? That is the best savings of my life, my journey. Because money, if they said that you must to save more money, how come if I'm die, what will I do of the money? Diba? At least, if I die, one of my one of my journey is still in the YouTube channel. Ay, naku po, for God, no. I'm just kidding. I'm just make myself relax because start na naman sa cleaning, sa work, makafocus again on my mind. And my face is for my work na. Just now that I'm in the camera in my YouTube so I can make heck. But in my work, nako, I make it face seriously in my work. Seriously talaga. Okay, so again, I want to start na. To my work here, to my cleaning, to my, not cleaning, to my simply cooking, and bye-bye. Take care, and God bless us all. And whatever we are, we do it for ourselves. Take care. Always pray, and God always with us. Kaya natin all the problems that we have, especially to our health or to our daily works, to our daily life. Just pray because God so great at all. Okay? And bye! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Okay, ayan na. Bye.